Dino Stories. A New Friend, published by Igloo Books. Freddy was the most popular dinosaur in Jurassic Jungle. "Join our game, Freddy," said Max. "No, join ours," replied Luna. The dinosaurs were so busy trying to play with Freddy, they didn't even notice when a new dino arrived. "I miss my old home and my friends," thought Willow as she watched the other dinosaurs having fun. "Let's play hide and seek." Everyone rushed off together. Everyone except Willow. 3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. Stomp, stomp, stomp. But instead of finding his friends, Freddy found a dino he didn't recognize, sitting all alone. "Hi, I'm Freddy. Do you want to join our game? We are playing hide and seek." "I'd love to." They ran off together to find Freddy's friends. One by one, they found all the dinosaurs except Luna. Willow sang her happy song as they searched. "I just had to dance to that awesome song." From that day on, Willow felt so happy in her new home with all her new friends. They even had funky dinosaur dances every night while Willow sang her amazing songs. The end.